So you have complained about Hardeep snoring every day.
Yeah.
Then he goes.
Yes.
The day after, you want to have an all-nighter and keep us up.
Only to punish you. And
There was some snoring last
and
night
a little
as
bit
well.
Ryan.
There was some snoring last night.
There was, yeah.
I
Where
know
was that
exactly
snoring
the
coming
designated
from?
snorers
Came
were.
on from the ladies' corner.
It
of
did
the
come
room.
from the ladies'
It
corner.
was Sally.
No way, because I stood at the bed with Dad and it was definitely you.
Me? No, it was Sally because I rolled her over.
Oh, 100.
It was like as loud as Hardeep.
It was,
Was
oh,
not.
100%.
Wow, that's a big accusation,
No, I would
that
take it.
one.
It was loud.
All right, maybe not as loud as Hardeep, but like a couple of decibels lower.
You lying.
Swear to you.
Lying.
Ryan?
Did you see
And it was
me
like,
doing that?
it was
I
like
was
this. It
right
like-
next to your bed and I
This
was
is what it was
laughing.
like.
Oh, that could be me.
And you were on your side as well.
Was a
But you know what, Dan fell asleep, hanging over the bed, and he started snoring. I had to wake him up. The only
I was on my
time.
front. Like that. Timber.
You guys, did anyone move me to get me to stop? Why didn't you move me to stop me?
I did. I got in bed and cuddled you so that you stayed on this
Such
side.
a liar. Cuddled you.
Cuddled.
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 Can you say puddle?
Puddle.
Cuddle.
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 You
No,
said
not-
cuddle.
Not cuddle.
Why are you saying it?
Cuddle.
Cuddle.
Under.
Bloody eggy thumpy.